Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy, MKBHD here. And let me tell you, the wearable tech scene just got a whole lot more interesting. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Ring, the tiny piece of tech that's about to rock your world. Forget bulky smartwatches. This ring is where it's at. We'll dive deep into what makes this ring a game changer. From the mind-blowing tech under the hood to the features that'll make you say, "Shut up and take my money." I've got you covered. Remember when smartwatches were all the rage? Yeah, well, get ready for the next big thing in wearable tech. The Samsung Galaxy Ring. This isn't just some bling for your finger, people. This is a mini computer packed with more tech than you can shake a stick at. We're talking about a device that can track your health 24/7, control your smart home, and even make payments, all from your finger. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's very real. Imagine this. You're at a concert, phone's dead, but you can still pay for that overpriced drink with a tap of your ring. Future's looking pretty sweet, but enough hype. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty.
Okay, so we've established that the Galaxy Ring is cool, but what makes it tick? What kind of sorcery is Samsung packing into this tiny ring? Let's break it down. First up, we've got an array of advanced sensors. We're talking heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep tracking, the works. And these aren't your average sensors, they're incredibly precise, giving you the most accurate data possible. Then there's the NFC chip for all your contactless payments. No more fumbling for your wallet at the checkout. Tap and go, baby, and let's not forget about the battery life. Samsung claims it can last for days on a single charge. Days, people. No more charging your ring every night. This thing is built to keep up with you.
Alright, fitness junkies, this section's for you. The Galaxy Ring isn't just a pretty face. It's a powerful fitness tracker disguised as jewelry. It's like having a personal trainer wrapped around your finger, minus the yelling and protein shake obsession. Remember those advanced sensors we talked about? They're about to become your new best friends. The ring tracks your heart rate continuously, measuring your calorie burn, sleep stages, and even your stress levels. But here's the kicker. It provides personalized insights and recommendations based on your data. Think of it as a fitness coach in your pocket, always there to give you that extra push. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the Galaxy Ring is here to level up your game. Section 5, Beyond Fitness, your daily digital companion. But wait, there's more. This ring isn't just about fitness, it's your all-access pass to a more connected life. Think of it as an extension of your smartphone, putting you in control without having to pull your phone out every 5 seconds. Imagine this. You're walking down the street, phone's blasting your favorite tunes through your wireless earbuds. Suddenly you get a call. With a simple tap on your ring, you can answer the call, no awkward fumbling for your phone required. But it doesn't stop there. You can control your music, check notifications, and even control your smart home devices, all from your ring. It's like having the power of technology at your fingertips, literally.
Six seamless integration connecting your digital life. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what about compatibility? Don't worry, Samsung's got you covered. The Galaxy Ring is designed to seamlessly integrate with your other devices, especially if you're already rocking the Samsung ecosystem. It plays nicely with your Galaxy smartphone, Galaxy Buds, and even your Samsung smart appliances. Imagine controlling your TV or preheating your oven with a simple twist of your ring. The future is here and it's all connected. And hey, even if you're not fully immersed in the Samsung world, the Ring still offers a solid experience. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, so you can enjoy most of its features regardless of your smartphone preference.
Section 7. But will it blend? Galaxy Ring Durability Test. Okay, let's talk durability. I know what you're thinking, a ring this advanced can't possibly survive my daily grind. But hold on, because Samsung claims they've put this thing through the ringer, literally. The Galaxy Ring is built with tough materials like titanium or ceramic, depending on the model you choose. It's also water and dust resistant, so you can rock it at the gym, in the shower, or even on your next adventure. Of course, we'll have to put these claims to the test in a full review, but from the looks of it, the Galaxy Ring is built to last.
Section 8, Privacy Matters, keeping your data safe. Now let's address the elephant in the room, privacy. With a device this personal, it's only natural to wonder about data security. Well, Samsung assures us that privacy is a top priority. The Galaxy Ring uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data, both on the device and during transmission. They also claim that your data is never shared with third parties without your consent. Of course, it's always a good idea to be cautious and review the privacy settings yourself. But overall, Samsung seems to be taking data security seriously with the Galaxy Ring.
Section 9. The price tag. Is it worth the hype? Alright, let's talk numbers. When it comes to tech gadgets, price is often a major factor in the decision-making process. The Galaxy Ring isn't exactly a budget-friendly gadget. It's positioned as a high-end device, designed to offer premium features and cutting-edge technology. It's a premium device with a price tag to match. This isn't just another gadget, it's a statement piece. The exact price will vary depending on the model and features you choose, but expect to shell out a significant chunk of change. This is not a decision to be taken lightly. So the big question is it worth it? This is where personal preferences and priorities come into play. Well, that depends on your needs and priorities. Are you someone who values the latest technology and innovative features? If you're a tech enthusiast who wants the latest and greatest, the Galaxy Ring is a tempting proposition. Its sleek design and advanced capabilities make it a standout choice. Its innovative features and seamless integration could be a game changer for some. Imagine a device that not only tracks your fitness, but also integrates smoothly with your smart home setup. However, if you're on a tight budget or only need basic fitness tracking, there are more affordable options on the market. You don't have to break the bank to get a decent fitness tracker. Ultimately, the decision is yours. It's important to consider what features are most important to you and how much you're willing to spend. Weigh the pros and cons, consider your budget, and make an informed choice. Remember, the best gadget for you is the one that fits your lifestyle and meets your needs.
Section 10. Troubleshooting 101, conquering common concerns. Okay, let's get real for a second. We all know that technology, no matter how advanced, can sometimes be a bit of a headache. New tech can be glitchy, and the Galaxy Ring is no exception. It's a fantastic piece of technology, But like all gadgets, it has its quirks, but fear not, because I'm here to arm you with the knowledge to conquer those common tech hiccups. First up, battery life. It's one of the most talked about issues. While Samsung boasts about its long-lasting battery, some users have reported faster drain than expected. This can be frustrating, especially when you rely on your device throughout the day. This can often be attributed to heavy usage, especially with features like constant heart rate monitoring and GPS tracking. These features are great but can be power hungry. Try tweaking your settings and disabling features you don't use as often to maximize battery life. For instance, turning off GPS when not needed can save a lot of power. Another common issue is connectivity woes. It's incredibly annoying when your device won't stay connected. If your Ring is struggling to stay connected to your phone, it can disrupt your daily routine and data tracking. Try unpairing and repairing the devices. This simple step can often resolve minor glitches. You can also try resetting the Bluetooth connection on your phone or even restarting both devices. Sometimes a fresh start is all it takes to fix the issue. With these tips, you can ensure your Galaxy Ring runs smoothly, giving you the best user experience possible.
Section 11, the final verdict. A revolution on your finger? That's the question we're exploring today. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy Ring in all its glory. This tiny yet powerful device is making waves in the tech world. It's a device that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in wearable tech, packing a ton of features into a tiny package. But is it truly revolutionary? The answer, as with most things in tech, is a resounding it depends. It's undoubtedly innovative, offering a glimpse into the future of wearables. Its seamless integration, advanced health tracking, and convenient features could be game changers for many. Imagine having all your health metrics at your fingertips, literally. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The high price tag, potential for glitches, and privacy concerns are valid considerations. In a world where data privacy is paramount, these concerns cannot be overlooked. Ultimately, the decision of whether the Galaxy Ring is a revolutionary device or just another shiny gadget is up to you. Will it change the way we interact with technology, or will it be a passing trend? Only time will tell.